也講到。The next stop is Western Harbour Tunnel Bus Interchange, Ma Chung Road。下一站係西隧轉車站下場道。要體驗香港中西共融的文化氣息，一定要到西九文化區逛逛。裡面的 M+ 和香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地藝術品和故宮典藏。If you want to experience the cultural fusion of East and West in Hong Kong, you must visit the West Kowloon Cultural District. Inside, M+ showcases artworks from around the world, while the Hong Kong Palace Museum exhibits treasures from the Forbidden City. 想體驗香港中西共融文化氣息，一定要去西九文化區。入邊嘅 M+ 同香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地嘅藝術品同故宮典藏。
我明明放咗條鼓聽落去啊，消失得無影無蹤。雖然係插咗電，但係都插翻條線咧。
上一站是西隧廣州站，也講到。The next stop is Western Harbour Tunnel Bus Interchange, Ma Chung Road。下一站係西隧轉車站下場道。要體驗香港中西共融的文化氣息，一定要到西九文化區逛逛。裡面的 M+ 和香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地藝術品和故宮典藏。If you want to experience the cultural fusion of East and West in Hong Kong, you must visit the West Kowloon Cultural District. Inside, M+ showcases artworks from around the world, while the Hong Kong Palace Museum exhibits treasures from the Forbidden City. 想體驗香港中西共融文化氣息，一定要去西九文化區。入邊嘅 M+ 同香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地嘅藝術品同故宮典藏。
哇！好涼爽啊！哇！好涼爽啊！
下一站是柯士甸道戏曲中心。The next stop is Austin Road 戲曲 Center。下一站係柯士甸道戲曲中心。穿過隧道以後，在巴士的右邊就是戲曲中心。它以傳統中國彩燈位概念，流線外形與半開放的中平空間體現器的概念，展現戲區副時代感的新形象。您可以在這裡欣賞到大江南北的頂級戲曲演出。As we pass through the tunnel, you see the 戲曲 center on the right-hand side of the bus. Its striking design reflects the evolving nature of the art of Chinese opera. Here, audiences can enjoy high-quality, traditional and contemporary performances. 穿過隧道，喺巴士嘅右手邊就係戲曲中心啦。佢以傳統中國彩燈為概念，流線外形同半開放嘅中平空間體現戲嘅概念，展現戲曲副時代感嘅新形象。你可以喺呢度欣賞到大江南北嘅頂級戲曲演出。
哇！ 開大塞車，玩呢啲嘅。你點樣整個袋連喺度身？
我呢度好緊。
係咯，咁就揮咁樣。
我向隊去拉咁開。
係啊，你唔知有乜同威卡啊？感受其實
下面條都係咁啊。
係咩？
睇佢點對先。
要叉電要叉電揾我啊！我再收條線。
我呢條寶有大。
停晒一停啦。咩事？我放嘅聲會。翻到河本都冇人落行車，翻嚟冇車。你拍佢個車頂啊！你拍佢個車頂啊！因為你好近啊！
有冇收人啊？
係，我聽到少少。
我覺得好近喎。
揸呢條線嗰啲全部都要車手嚟，如果唔係咧，一世都唔係正線做晒。好安全，我可以攬嘢撞喺前面，我真係想清隊坐後邊。而家幾多煲踢人嘅車牌？幾多煲踢人？
呢嚿啊，
係啊，
一大嚿，勁大嚿呢嚿，我唔知佢攞咩黐，咁鬼大嚿煲貼黐啊！
整埋整塊擋風玻璃嚟做，
飛去喎！
即係咧整一半咁樣，成包嘅啫。呢個開埋頂啊！
得 H 嗰啲係長車啊嘛，如果唔開頂，佢呢個開得窗咁解。你開原速啊？
唔係，
原速係嘛？係啊，焗晒㗎。
咦有殘影啫，我唔中意，
係同你講咗有殘影㗎啦。
我唔中意。
我對係手嘅。我上一次坐開紅係上一次。
我知紅晒。
我上一次坐開紅嘅係上一次。哇！合理啊！
呢個冇錯，但係又有啲錯。
藍田我不喜歡這隻
為保安全，請不要把身體或物件伸出車外。謝謝。
都係中意救啊！我覺得。
For safety reasons, please do not lean out or extend items outside the bus. Thank you. 為保安全，請唔好將身體或物件伸出車外，多謝。
發尾我先。就伸隻手出去先啦。
嚇？
而家就伸隻手出去。
應該後面嗰個陳老，應
你停咩站啫？你邊有人啫？一條停邊站？
哇！係前勤啊，係前勤啊，係咪前勤咧？
上站是廣東道港灣酒店。The next stop is Canton Road, Gateway Hotel, Hong Kong。下一站係廣東道港威酒店。
講咩酒店啊？
翻去永東好專唔制。
说到尖沙咀，除了维多利亞港，廣東道也是其中一個一定要去的景點。這裡雲集了世界各地的名店，還有藥妝、知名手機品牌的旗艦店等等，讓您可以盡情享受瘋狂購物的樂趣。When it comes to Tsim Sha Tsui, besides Victoria Harbour, Canton Road is also a must-visit spot. It's home to renowned international luxury brands, popular beauty and health shops, and the flagship store of major mobile phone retailers,
所以入面食到之
perfect
後，啲
for
人就
indulging in a shopping spree.
我想同佢坐 HK 咧，啲人一上樓
講到尖沙咀，除咗維多利亞港，廣東道亦都係其中一個必到嘅地方。呢度雲集咗嚟自世界各地嘅名店，仲有藥妝、知名手機品牌嘅旗艦店等等，等你可以盡情享受瘋狂購物嘅樂趣。
你俾錢我，瘋狂購物。
1萬蚊一個邊個想買？咁多人嘅。
哦，
哇！好多綠衣大軍。
香港鬧市啊！綠衣大軍，
點解綠色衫嘅？
咦，要唔上？唔係黑色衫嘅嘛？如果你快啲，你快啲啦你！唔記得佢就等於，唔記得佢就等於。
到時配音樂咪得咯。
係啊 music on board。好似你驚你咁。好清晰啊！
上一站是廣東道、北京道。
好啊！以前2號都係。
The next stop is Canton Road, Peking Road。
佢而家唔係啊！佢而家。
下一站係廣東道、北京道。
佢而家唔係行嗰邊。
在这个站旁边的1881，前身是1884年落成的前水警总部、金箔画后殖民店、高级餐厅和古迹精品酒店于一身。旁边亦有尖沙咀碼頭、鐘樓等尖沙咀地道景點。您亦可以與國際聞名的維多利亞港打卡，欣賞迷人夜景。Right next to this stop is 1881 Heritage, formerly the Marine Police Headquarters, built in 1884. After revitalization, it now houses luxury boutiques, fine dining restaurants, and the Heritage Boutique Hotel. Nearby, you'll also find must-visit Tsim Sha Tsui landmarks like the Star Ferry Pier and the Clock Tower. Don't miss the chance to snap a photo with the world-famous Victoria Harbour and take in its stunning night view. 喺巴士站隔離嘅1881，前身係1884年落成嘅前水警總部，經活化後集門店、高級餐廳、從古蹟精品酒店於一身， 旁邊亦有尖沙咀碼頭、鐘樓等尖沙咀必到景點，你亦可以同國際聞名嘅維多利亞港打卡，欣賞迷人夜景。
我前排幾識揸車啊，呢個我幫過。
我等一個有炒就轉過200A 嘅。
我去緊巴士好似出事啊！
冇㗎啦呢啲，等波鐘㗎啦。
係啊，我都覺得係啊。
你哋幾個？
我覺得等波鐘咯，呢條喺度。
原本可以睇夜景，而家冇得睇。
咩啊？後邊咩上咩條站嘅後邊3個位。咁仲擺落個冇人過嚟咯。哎呀！我俾個補車你用啊！
有冇聽咩？
有啊，我揾到啦。
可以啊，俾錢。
哇！咁多人喺度上啊！
終於揾到啦！
揾到啊！我整完之後就揾到啦。所有人。
后面有。好，把后面很多位置。
唔使多謝。
咁我感謝。
Don't do that, don't do that。
所以又細個，我唔識做啲奇怪色情。
你新嘢出嚟啦！
喂唔係喎，我驚我咁樣懟隻手指出去，後面啲雙頭會撞爆我手。
後親我屌你老母！差咁慢。睇嚟我哋等陣唔使自己坐後邊啦。冇得咁擔心。
咁懟隻手出去，佢就咁撞我手。
發鏡嘅距離，你手係，因為你手好長啫，公呢個咁嘅啫。我上完你啊，好耐啊，好過分啊！
小心擺尾。
100A 行呢度嘅，
唔知點解佢有啲線喺地度改嘅。
唔係
2號改咗2次先。
100A 邊係行呢度行大街啊嘛，嗰啲線都話。
但係佢有站喎。
咪咯，我啲線都100A 喎。
哇！北京道啊，北京道。點解啊？係咯。
中國搞咩啊？尖咀搞咩啊？喂！尖咀搞咩啊？個站個總站嚟到呢度喎，100A個總站。係啊。係啊，二號冇問題喎，點解嘅？
總站爆咗，仲點解？
嗰個應該臨時站嗰個。
唔係啊，但係佢寫住佢話請往左的請往北京道181上車啊！咁又係北京道。
終於3號咗。
咪咯，玩嘢嘅揼波鐘喺度。呢啲人要快普通線卡啦。
睇呢啲車人經過時禍害我哋大眾。
下一站是中港城，萃取中心。
識唔使食飯？
我覺得去唔到80M。
The next stop is China Hong Kong City 萃取 Center。
8點半都未食得飯。
下一站係中港城戲曲中心。
就去咁樣兜落去，唔使食飯。
我覺得去唔到
中港城於1988年落成，其獨特的金色幕牆更曾經錄入吉尼斯世界紀錄。裡面的中國客運碼頭 提供往返香港和广东省以及澳门的跨境渡轮服务。距离中港城大概5分钟的步程，就是位于西九文化区的戏曲中心。建筑物以传统中国采分类概念，流线外形与半开放的中庭空间体现器的概念，展现戏区副时代感的新形象。您可以在这里欣赏到大江南北的顶级戏曲演出。Established in 1988, China Hong Kong City once held a Guinness World Record with its unique golden curtain wall. The China Ferry Terminal provides cross-border ferry services from Hong Kong to cities in Guangdong and Macau. With just a 5-minute walk, you can reach Siqing Center in the West Kowloon Cultural District. Its striking design reflects the evolving nature of the art of Chinese opera. Here, audiences can enjoy high-quality traditional and contemporary performances. 1988年落成嘅中港城，憑住獨特嘅金色幕牆，一度榮登健力士世界紀錄。入面嘅中國客運碼頭提供往返香港同廣東省及澳門嘅跨境渡輪服務，距離中港城大約5分鐘嘅步程，就係位於西九文化區嘅戲曲中心。建築物以傳統中國彩燈為概念，你可以喺呢度欣賞到大江南北嘅頂級戲曲演出。
對住你啊嗱！
我後面冇位坐啊！死啊！點算啊？因為後面要俾人買晒。
坐前面得咩？
我想向後面應該係清買。
冇位啊！後面。我哋擇日再戰。
冇錢再戰。
誒，我嗰部喎。
冇咩？
係咯。
小號費唔知咩？
點解冇個地總？點解就成個地總？
呢隻手係好高。
好熱啊！
停一車就係。伸隻手出嚟。
冇人㗎，仲好鬥啊！
下一站是左东道高鐵站。The next stop is Jordan Road High-Speed Rail Station。下一站係佐敦道高鐵站。
聽晚應該會更加瘋狂。
係，等陣撈翻件褸先，唔係咁死。
高鐵西九龍站是世界最大型地下鐵路站，設計採用大型玻璃幕牆和流線型天幕。 在车站天台的天空走廊是打卡的其中一个好去处。在高铁西九龙站对面的文华新村，又称为巴文楼，因为昔日的经营法，各座大楼的高层部分都用了退台的设计。The high-speed rail West Kowloon Station is the world's largest underground railway station, featuring expansive glass curtain walls and a sleek, streamlined roof design. It also has the Sky Corridor that is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Located opposite the high-speed rail West Kowloon Station, Manhwasun Chuen is a residential complex made up of 8 buildings with a nickname 8-man buildings. Due to the regulation of right of light back then, the upper floors of the towers were designed with a slant top setback. 高鐵西九龍站係世界最大型地下鐵路站，採用大型玻璃幕牆同流線型天幕嘅設計，仲有個打卡一流嘅天際走廊。喺高鐵西九龍站對面嘅文華新村，又稱為白文樓，因為昔日嘅街影法，各座大樓高層部分都有獨特嘅翠台設計。
有車離後咗。
幾時有交通啊？
上車有。
幾時先有交通？
其實已經簽咗好啦。你講埋睇下嘢好啊，先。你又翻你轉彎入架啦。
佢踩中間。
啊？
佢踩中間。
好啊，因為車都有人咯。你嗰日你真係會上你部車咩？上車要截車。
你知唔知道咧？用報紙寫字先係最醜嘅，用飛紙寫字我都冇寫。我話你攞隻報紙講。跟住兜幾多個站先上站？
下一站是渡船街，油麻地警署。The next stop is Ferry Street, Yau Ma Tei Police Station.
真係 OK。
下一站係渡船街，油麻地警署。再次歡迎各位乘坐9巴遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊。現在我們將離開九龍，走上快速公路，朝着香港2座標誌性大橋昂船洲大橋和青馬大橋出發。為了閣下安全，請謹記在旅程中不要把手或物件伸出車外。巴士行走時也請不要在上層站立。現在請各位享受沿路的風景，聽住我們的介紹，一同來一趟天際漫遊吧。Welcome again to our TMB Tour Hong Kong Route HK2 Skywalk. We are now heading onto the highway, leaving Kowloon behind as we set out towards two of Hong Kong's most iconic bridges, the Stonecutters Bridge and the Tsing Ma Bridge. For safety reasons, please do not lean out or extend items outside the bus, and remember to stay seated while the bus is in motion. Without further ado, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenic view while we guide you through this breathtaking bridge adventure in the sky. 再次歡迎各位乘搭9巴遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊。而家我哋就會駛上公路，離開九龍，向住香港2座標誌性嘅大橋昂船洲大橋同青馬大橋出發。為咗閣下嘅安全，請緊記沿途唔好將手或物件伸出車外，行車時亦切勿喺上層站立。而家就請各位享受沿路風景，聽住我哋嘅介紹，一齊喺大橋上漫遊天際啦！
嘅。
點解？
我唔敢㗎，我驚佢一日掉出街。
即係後面個下都幾正下。
你再唔翻嚟，你個 cap 就唔使要啦，我同你講。椰子快回來呀！椰子。
唔係喎，後面真係好正喎咧。
好難講呢邊。
哇！嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！後面頂唔順真係會吹暈。哇！車走嚟啦！
頭先唔使俾油咋，而家俾。
我驚我 cam 會拎啊，快到。
喂，右頭都可以變成公頭嘅。
可以，我唔得啫，我條會兜。
G6T 未咩咯？
夠夠夠！你睇我嚿嘢。
不過我頭，
而家係個頭到個頭好多個，我個頭有少少。
要搖上嚟打乜？
講呢啲。哇！呢個開。噪音城市，一齊享受噪音城市。
聽我哋舞，聽我哋舞。
寫唱。
會聽唔聽我哋舞？我哋舞飛緊出去。啲風喺嗰邊打㗎。
哇！依家上去睇巴士。
踏上快速公路后，巴士中先后经过2座大桥，当中昂船洲大桥总跨1018米，是世上其中一条大跨度的双塔斜拉桥。它连接昂船洲和青衣岛，跨越南方的海峡。乘客在大桥上可以一遍饱览香港岛和货柜码头等景色。After entering the expressway, the bus will then pass us over 2 major bridges. One of them is the Stonecutters Bridge, which has a main span of 1,018 meters, making it one of the world's longest span double-tower cable-stayed bridges. It connects Stonecutters Island and Kingying Island, stretching across the Rambler Channel. From the bridge, passengers can enjoy sweeping views of Hong Kong Island and the bustling container terminals all at once. 駛上快速公路之後，巴士會先後經過2座大橋，其中昂船洲大橋主跨1018米，係世上其中一條大跨度嘅雙塔斜拉橋。佢連接住昂船洲同埋青衣島，跨越南巴勒海峽。乘客可以喺大橋一次過飽覽香港島同埋貨櫃碼頭等景色。
係咪高 IG？哇！嗰個咩啊？間唔中咁樣玩都幾
我袋飛嘅。
食物新入嚟，吸住佢，係乜嘢佢？唔知啲嘢。飛個
我袋空嘅。
好彩啊！飛個眼米之後好爆喎，你知道？喺條公路度飛個眼米出嚟，但係諗錯啊！我未心諗過，成塊上風槍嘅。我都停晒電嘅嗰邊收。我要上大橋啦喂！我坐喺後面先。
哇！好啊，車前切勿行，
幾時有落㗎？切勿站啫嘛。
登上昂船洲大橋後，您可以在巴士的右方，從大橋高處俯瞰葵青貨櫃碼頭。它於1970年代建成，貨櫃吞吐量 曾经是全球之冠，每天24小时运作，每年可处理逾2000万个标准货柜，见证香港作为转口港的兴盛时期。Once we ascend the Songkran Bridge, look to the right side of the bus. From this elevated vantage point, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the Five-Sea Container Terminal. Built in the 1970s, the terminal once held the title of the world's busiest container port. Operating 24 hours a day, they are capable of handling over 20 million 20-foot equivalent units annually, standing as a testament to Hong Kong's golden era as a major entrepôt. 喺昂船洲大橋上，你可以望向巴士嘅右手邊，由高處俯瞰長青貨櫃碼頭。佢喺1970年代建成，貨櫃吞吐量曾經係全球之冠，每日24小時運作，每年可以處理超過2000萬個標準貨櫃，見證香港作為轉口港嘅興盛時期。
最少車尾又冇位啦。唔係你大幅度咧，你成日出住部機咧，都係即係想，即係你部機咧擋，即係大幅度你揸住部機係擋風啊！哇，幾恐怖啊！咁大風嘅上要農場道，哇！
你係冇體會過我30磅我開車有幾大風？
喺深圳可能28我開場，哦，吹到上幾點前？
因為我上次我
前面有隧道啊，喂，前面有隧道。
我依架飛嘅依個。
係啊係啊，前面有隧道啊，前面有隧道啊，後邊有人冇死嘅。
我要爆音啦，同學。注意耳仔啊！
加油加油！
你有盡力80啊！这个香港著名地标在90年代末落成，是因为机场搬迁而兴建的其中一个基建，也是游客从机场到港往返市区的必经道路。大桥全长2160米，是全球跨度最长的行车铁路双路悬索吊桥之一，连同新机场荣获20世纪10大建筑重塑奖。Passing through the Nam Wan Tunnel, the bus will head onto the Tsing Ma Bridge. This iconic Hong Kong landmark was completed in the late 1990s as part of the infrastructure developed for the airport relocation. It serves as a vital link between the city and the airport for travelers. Spanning 2,160 meters, It is one of the world's longest suspension bridges that accommodates both road and rail traffic. Along with the new airport, it was honored as one of top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. 經過南灣隧道之後，巴士就會駛上青馬大橋。呢座香港著名嘅地標喺90年代尾落成，係因為機場搬遷而興建嘅其中一個基建，亦都係遊客從機場抵港往返市區嘅必經道路。大橋全長2160米，係全球跨度最長嘅行車鐵路商用連續吊橋之一。連同新機場榮獲20世紀10大建築成就獎。
部機飛落去救唔到喎，
咪俾我司機翻入下啦。
幾十個度。有啦。飛咗落車係嘛？喂，飛咗落去喎！ 我差啲飛落去喎，你知唔知啊？哇！你睇我個頭翻嚟，呢有啲咩啊？雞竇。你落馬灣喎！好似我哋阿媽話我哋咁，而家講成個豬竇喎，唔係豬竇咪雞竇。啲頭髮打落塊面就係抗議嘅。
一條有好似風琴嘅，有好似風琴嘅。
應該電77。喺機場掉頭好似，哦，免費行，只限好貼喎。哦，幾耐冇落過馬鞍灣啦？我車都算。上一次落就係喺上一次。真係我唔知上一次。冇上一次咯。係上一次都係上一次。以場呢啲講到底都唔會入去馬灣嘅。
馬灣是往日海上絲路的其中一个重要地点。1868年，清朝政府在这里设立海关，抽取鸦片贸易税收，打击走私活动，同时保护边防。马湾逐渐成为一条小渔村，盛产虾膏。到90年代初，因为新机场工程，居民逐渐迁往现在的马湾新村。旧村活化成现在的马湾1868，一个集保育、文创、旅游及艺术零售的度假景区。马湾 was once an important hub along the ancient maritime Silk Road. In 1868, the Qing government established a customs post there to collect opium trade taxes, combat smuggling, and safeguard the coastal border. Later, Ma Wan evolved into a small fishing village known for producing shrimp paste. In the early 1990s, due to the new airport development, residents gradually relocated to the present-day Ma Wan New Village. The original village was revitalized into Ma Wan 1868, a cultural and tourism destination that blends heritage conservation, creative industries, travel experiences, and art retail. 馬灣係往日海上絲路其中一個重要地點。1868年， 清朝政府喺呢度設立海關，偷取鴉片貿易稅收，打擊走私活動，同時保護邊防。及後馬灣成為一條小漁村，盛產蝦膏。到90年代初，因為新基層工程，居民逐漸遷往而家嘅馬灣新村，舊村就活化成而家嘅馬灣1868，一個集保育、文創、旅遊及藝術零售嘅度假景區。
去嘅。死到神你隊嗰啲嚟喎。
返程前往尖沙咀的中途，您可以在左前方看见全长1.177公里、世界第一条三塔式捷拉索桥金索桥。落成后为新界西北的元朗、屯门等地提供更直接前往机场和香港岛以及九龙市区的选择。晚上的金索桥更有射灯、照亮、桥身和桥塔，成为不少摄影爱好者的拍摄对象。On our return journey to Tin Sha Tsui, you see the Tin Cow Bridge ahead on the left. Stretching 1.177 kilometers, it is the world's first three-tower cable-stayed bridge. Since its completion, it has provided the Northwest New Territories, such as Ranong and Tuen with a more direct connection to the airport and urban Kowloon and Hong Kong Island. At night, the bridge and its towers are illuminated by spotlights, making it a favorite subject for many photography enthusiasts. 回程返去尖沙咀嘅途中，你可以喺左前方見到全長1.177公里、世界第一條三塔式斜拉索橋汀九橋。公路程後，為新界西北嘅元朗、屯門等地方提供更直接前往機場同港九市區嘅選擇。入北後嘅汀九橋更會有射燈照亮橋身同橋塔，成為唔少攝影發燒友嘅拍攝對象。
呢個可以攞翻去做紀念喎。
即係如果你跳我首歌，你唔好跳成機械人咁啦。
真飛咗去不得了！我一俾佢飛出嚟真係俾喺我袋度。
大佬，我隻眼啫。
喂，後面飛咗啲咁嘅嘢過嚟。後面飛咗啲咁嘅嘢過嚟。
邊個飛過嚟啊？
後面咯，後面咯。
嚇？
佢自己意啲少少嘢。
嚇？
我哋揸上飛咗嚟嘅。
嚇咩啊？你講嘅嘢咯？邊個飛過嚟啊？
我頭先就爬嘅，即係有地下有個咁嘅嘢飛出嚟。
咁恐怖啊！我哋即係後面咧。
如果頭先解你安全帶嚟講，要死喺度。
係啊，我話咧，好多人頂唔順我翻下飛起咁樣。我黐線，我頭啲咩樣？咁我頭係啊，頭冇咩事啊。
啲有趣嘢，哇！睇有趣嘢。
晚一点的这个。
我们现在身处的这一岛是香港的金屿大岛，除了是一个大型住宅区之外，这里也是重工业集中地，更有水泥厂、船务以及油库等设施。关于青衣的地名由来有不同说法，有人说是因为附近海域盛产青衣鱼，也有人说是因为岛的形状像青衣鱼。而我们依会横跨的朗巴勒海峡，名字是源自19世纪英国海军的炮舰朗巴勒号，这里也是本地市民欣赏日落的热门地点。We are now on Qing Hong Kong's fifth largest island. Other than being a major residential area, it is also a hub for heavy industry, with facilities such as cement plants, shipyards, and oil depots. The origin of the name Qingyu has various explanations. Some believe it comes from the abundance of black spot husky, with the Cantonese name of Qingyu, found in nearby waters, while others suggest the island's shape resembles the fish itself. In a moment, we will be crossing the Rambler Channel, which is said to have been named after the British naval gun vessel HMS Rambler in the 19th century. There is also a popular spot among locals for watching the sunset. 我哋而家所在嘅青衣島係香港第5大島，除咗係大型住宅區，仲係一個重工業集中地，有水泥廠、船務、油庫等設施。青衣地名由來眾說紛紜，有人話係因為附近有好多青衣魚，亦有指係島嘅形狀似青衣魚。而一陣會橫跨嘅蘭巴勒海峽，相傳名稱嚟自19世紀英軍炮艦蘭巴勒號。呢度亦係本地市民睇日落嘅好去處。
唔係落日啦，而家反日啦。我不如就放呢首歌啦，好唔好啊？
而家可以放。
唔係啊，我呢段時間
之後啊嘛。
就放呢首歌。隻左耳好似塞咗，而家左咧冇晒聲。
喂，唔對路吧？
咩啊？
啱咪落咗。
我8點搭4唔見人，佢走喎。
咁由佢啦。
快啲，快啲，快啲，我唔使食快啲，我都明。8點半收工。
我哋慢慢摸過。我哋慢慢摸過去。
啲內同啲司機講慢慢揸。
我司機講揸慢啲，我哋就咁俾呢個邊。
哇！要2粒鐘喎呢條線。
咪可以搭多轉啦。
你死啦！搭多轉未
九巴
玩
是香港最历史悠久的专营巴士公司，在1933年取得经营九龙及新界巴士服务的专利权。从最开初大约10多条路线，发展到现在，连同服务新界及机场的龙运巴士，一共运营超过480条路线，网络覆盖全港18区，规模是全港最大。成立以来， 酒吧一直坚持创新，创下多个第一，包括全球第一辆实验成功的双层空调巴士，全球第一辆超低地台双层3轴巴士，全港第一辆纯电动巴士等。当巴士经过美孚时，您可以看到一座大墙外有着酒吧传统标志中9字的大厦，这里正是我们整个酒吧的核心所在。
我鬆咗隻手喎，呢
K&B is Hong Kong's oldest franchise bus company with a rich history, having obtained the franchise to operate bus services in Kowloon and the New Territories in 1933. From its modest beginning, with just over a dozen routes, K&B has grown together with Longwing Bus, serving the New Territories and the airport, to operate more than 480 routes, covering all 18 districts of Hong Kong. It is now the largest bus network in the city. Since its establishment, K&B has been committed to innovation, achieving many global and local firsts. The world's first successfully trialed air-conditioned double-decker bus, the world's first super-low-floor 3-axle double-decker bus, and Hong Kong's first fully electric bus. As the bus passes through Meifu, you'll notice a building with a large Chinese 9 character, the traditional symbol of K&B, on its exterior walls. This marks the very heart of our company. 九巴係香港最歷史悠久嘅專營巴士公司，喺1933年取得經營九龍及新界巴士服務嘅專利權。由最初大約10幾條路線發展至今，連同服務新界及基層嘅龍運巴士，一共營運超過480條路線，網絡覆蓋全港18區，規模係全港最大。成立以嚟，九巴一直堅持創新，創下多個第一，包括全球第一架試驗成功嘅雙層空調巴士，全球第一架超低地台雙層收續巴士，全港第一架純電動巴士等等。當巴士經過美孚嘅時候，你會睇到一座大牆，外面有九巴傳統標誌中9字嘅大廈。呢度正正就係我哋九巴嘅核心所在。
行樹邊唔好玩喎，後邊嗰啲爆頭喎。嚟啦，爆我啦！唔係我限制細機院睇我啲動態，所以我而家完全唔驚。成班同我講打一句巴士快將接近搖中搖幕。我又嚟，請按中下車。我而家去九巴線啊！
九龙走廊在80年代末分阶段落成通车，联系牛麻地和荔枝角。在行车天桥上，周边的 景色由西九龙填海区的开阳景观渐渐变位在大角嘴和旺角的旧式大厦间穿梭，在短时间内让您看到香港不同的一面。The West Kowloon Corridor was completed in phases beginning in the late 1980s, linking Yau Ma Tei with Lai Chi Kok. As the bus travels along the elevated roadway, the scenery shifts from the open views of the West Kowloon Reclamation Area to weaving between the older buildings of Tai Kok Street and Mong Kok. In just a short time, you experience a very different side of Hong Kong. 西九龍走廊喺80年代尾分階段落成通車，聯繫油麻地同荔枝角。喺行車天橋上，周邊嘅景色由西九龍填海區嘅開揚景觀，逐漸變成喺大角咀同旺角嘅舊式大廈間穿梭，短時間內等你睇到香港唔同嘅一面。
但是我现在游泳池那里还有人呢。
哇！我望到我屋企啊！
想去游泳啊！你现在这么冷。
我問我媽望唔
我講唔明啊，
我問我媽望唔望到，我媽話望唔到呢個。
就係
係啊，我媽話望到，我即係我架車裏面。影到。我影咗，我一路錄住，其實影到我屋企裏面。有啲蛇咁
就把它好錄製啊！
哇！呢條路我坐車經過好多次，但係
我都唔知你屋企喺邊。幾時俾我知你哋？
才打碎我的腳。
你啱啱經過條橋咧，
仲有
喂，有你。
我話紙上包裝啫嘛。係啊。個鐘喎，一個鐘頭，2分鐘，2粒鐘啊，2分鐘而家2粒鐘你係。下一站。
請調校八達通。
一個酒吧。
上站是富泉街，油麻地警署。
C 嗰個會上一嚟
The next stop is Ferry Street, Yau Ma Tei Police
呢個
Station.
係都係抄成包喎，整成架包。
下一站係渡船街油麻地警署。从巴士站往后方走，您就会来到有过100年历史的旧油麻地警署，让您感受爱德华时代建筑风格，而且是香港现存少数站前警署建筑之一，并于2009年评为2级历史建筑。Walking backwards from the bus stop, you will reach the century-old former Yau Ma Tei Police Station. It is an Edwardian architecture, which is also one of the few remaining pre-war police station buildings in Hong Kong, and was rated Grade 2 Historic Building in 2009. 由巴士站向後行，就可以到達有過百年歷史嘅舊油麻地警署，讓你感受愛德華時代嘅建築風格，而且係香港現存少數戰前警署建築之一。 並喺2009年獲評為2級歷史建築。
呢個經時俾時數包。
下一站是佐敦道高鐵站。The next stop is Jordan Road High-Speed Rail Station。下一站係佐敦道高鐵站。高鐵西九龍站是世界最大型地下鐵路站，設計採用大型玻璃幕牆和流線型天幕。在車站天台的天空走廊是打卡的其中一個好去處。在高鐵西九龍站對面的文華新村，又稱為巴文樓，因為昔日的經營法，各座大樓的高層部分都用了退台的設計。The High-Speed Rail West Kowloon Station is the world's largest underground railway station, featuring expansive glass curtain walls and a sleek, streamlined roof design. It also has the Sky Corridor that is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Located opposite the High-Speed Rail West Kowloon Station, Mun Lathan Chuan is a residential complex made up of 8 buildings with a nickname 8-Man Building. Due to the regulation of right-of-light back then, the upper floors of the towers were designed with a slant top setback. 高鐵西九龍站係世界最大型地下鐵路站，採用大型玻璃幕牆同流線型天幕嘅設計，仲有個打卡一流嘅天際走廊。喺高鐵西九龍站對面嘅文華新村又稱為百文樓，因為昔日嘅街影法，各座大樓高層部分都有獨特嘅退台設計。下一站是佐敦道高鐵站。The next stop is Jordan Road High-Speed Rail Station。下一站係佐敦道高鐵站。高鐵西九龍站是世界最大型地下鐵路站，設計採用大型玻璃幕牆和流線型天幕。在車站天台的天空走廊是打卡的其中一個好去處。在高鐵西九龍站對面的文華新村，又稱為巴文樓，因為昔日的經營法，各座大樓的高層部分都用了退台的設計。The High-Speed Rail West Kowloon Station is the world's largest underground railway station, featuring expansive glass curtain walls and a sleek, streamlined roof design. It also has the Sky Corridor that is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Located opposite the High-Speed Rail West Kowloon Station, Mun Lathan Chuan is a residential complex. 下一站是九龍站。The next stop is Kowloon Station。下一站係九龍站。我們即將回到我們的終點站九龍站，在這上面就是天際100，它位於全香港最高的大廈環球貿易廣場的第100層，讓您360度欣賞整個九龍、香港島北岸以及維多利亞港的景色。We are heading back to the bus terminus, Kowloon Station. Above it stands Sky 100, located on the 100th floor of the International Commerce Center, the tallest building in Hong Kong. It offers you a full 360 degrees and an unobstructed view of the entire Kowloon, north shore of Hong Kong Island and the Victoria Harbour. 翻到嚟我哋嘅總站九龍站，呢度上面有收費100，有坐落於全香港最高嘅大廈環球貿易廣場，等你360度欣賞成個九龍、香港島北岸以及維多利亞港嘅景色。下一站是九龍站。The next stop is Kowloon Station。下一站係九龍站。 我们即将回到我们的终点站九龙站，在这上面就是天际100，它位于全香港最高的大厦环球贸易广场的第100层，让您360度欣赏整个九龙、香港岛北岸以及维多利亚港的景色。We are heading back to the bus terminus, Kowloon Station. Above it stands Sky 100, located on the 100